Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code that is 0x800706be. To fix it, the first step is to restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working? Use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here, the link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update. So whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of that update. That is, for example, this is just an example. So whichever update you are not able to install, write down the name of the update, then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. And then check your system type. So go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download, and you can click on the update which you are unable to install, and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC, and then check. Still not working? The next step is to reset Windows Update components. Copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the command till here, and then type in Notepad in Windows search box. Paste all the command in Notepad. Go to File, Save As. You can save it to desktop. Name this file as wuauserv, and then click on Save. Now you can go to desktop. Here you can see this wuauserv file. Make a right click. Make sure that you run this as an administrator. Make a right click. Click on Run as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow, and let the process complete. Now, first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. If you receive a prompt, do you want to continue this operation? Type in Y for yes. Hit the enter key and let the process complete. It will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan will take some time. Once the scan is complete, it will start all the Windows Update services, and once this is complete, it will close automatically, or once this is complete, you can restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working? The last step is to use Media Creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, you can click on Finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on Setup file, click on Yes to allow, click on Next, click on Accept. Now over here you can see Ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit Install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.